Most people in their 20s think getting rich is about one big move, one stock pick, one business idea, one lucky break. But if you actually study the people who built real wealth, you'll notice something strange. None of them got there by accident. They followed a pattern. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. You get a raise, and somehow your bank account doesn't feel any different 6 months later. You know you should be investing, but later always feels safer than now. You watch people flexing new cars and vacations online, and part of you wonders if you're falling behind. And that's not because you're bad with money. Nobody ever actually taught you how it works. Here's the part that changes everything. Getting rich isn't about how much you earn. It's about the gap between what you earn and what you spend. A 20% gap invested for a decade looks completely different from a 20% gap spent. And that one habit is the real fork in the road. Two people can make the exact same salary. One becomes wealthy, the other stays broke because one of them understood that. The shift is this: stop thinking like an earner and start thinking like an owner. An earner trades time for money forever. An owner builds things that make money whether they're working or not. That shift is where real wealth begins. So let's make this real. 10 principles that actually move the needle in your 20s. 1. Skip the lifestyle inflation trap. Every time your income goes up, resist the urge to upgrade your life to match it. Keep your spending nearly flat and invest the difference. This quietly beats almost every get-rich-quick idea out there. 2. Own equity, not just a salary. A paycheck stops the moment you stop showing up. Ownership, stocks, index funds, a piece of a business, keeps working even while you sleep. 3. Build one high-income skill. Sales, coding, copywriting, design, a skilled trade. Pick one and get genuinely great at it. Your income ceiling is usually set by your skill ceiling. 4. Save the boring way first. Before you chase the speculative stuff, build the unglamorous habit of investing the same amount on the same day every single month. Habits you don't have to think about are the ones that survive. 5. Use debt as a tool, not a crutch. Think mortgage on a rental property, not a loan on a car that loses value the second you drive it off the lot. Next, number 6, start a side income stream early. It doesn't need to be big. Small income streams, given time, quietly compound into real assets. 7, network up, not sideways. Spend time around people who are further ahead than you. Comfort feels good, but growth happens in rooms where you're the least experienced person there. 8, live below your means publicly, invest privately. Looking rich and becoming rich are almost never the same journey. One is a performance, the other is a process. Next, number 9, take asymmetric bets while you can afford to lose. Think a side business that costs you a few $100s to test, but could replace your income entirely if it works. Small, controlled downside for a shot at uncapped upside. 10, track your net worth, not your income. Income is what passes through your hands. Net worth is what actually stays. None of these 10 ideas are flashy. Wealth isn't built through intensity. It's built through consistency, compounding quietly in the background while everyone else chases the next shortcut. If even one of these hit home, you already know which one to start on today. You don't need a lucky break to build wealth. You need a decade of decisions that quietly compound while nobody's watching. Start now, and by the time everyone else notices, you'll already be 10 years ahead.